Hi, this is Mr. Weisfeld. We're talking about SYSB, a standard about models or building representations of systems that let you analyze them. Here's the objective for this standard, and we'll go over the learning progressions as well. So students should be able to model and analyze a system. Model is to build another picture of a system that helps you think about it. You should be able to make predictions using your model and evaluate your limitations, things that are good or bad about your model. Alright, so that's the objective. Here's level 1. First of all, you just need to know how to be able to apply systems thinking to some random everyday object like a bicycle or a toaster or a computer, etc. And when I talk about a system, I want you to think about what are the inputs, what are the outputs, what are the boundaries, what are the components, or the parts of the system, and what are the flows, like how does stuff get from one part of a system to another. Then of course Sys A is talking about feedbacks or equilibrium in a system. That's the other system, that's system A. We're just concerned about, can you build a model about the system, can you talk to me about the parts, and can you talk about the flows in the system. That's for level 1. Level 2 for 2 points in this standard. Can you tell me what the different types of models are or diagrams? We just did only one really basic. We thought we had this flow diagram, so we had boxes and we had arrows between the boxes. The boxes represent the parts of a system, so components or system as a whole, and then these are the parts that make up the system. Each part of a system was a box. Each box had some arrows. The arrows were flows of information or energy or something between the boxes. That's kind of what we did for level 2.0 here in Systems B. Then, can you draw those diagrams yourself? So for level 2, think about, can you understand them? Level 3, can you make them yourselves? Can you label the inputs and the outputs and the flows? And then can you analyze certain common systems? Then predict maybe how changes to the system can affect the system, like if something breaks down or is gone from the system. That's all for level 3 in this standard SYSB. Level 4, can you, for above 3.0 credit, can you critique or find the advantages of a certain model for a system, suggest improvements to a system, or talk about how this model could be improved for a system. So that's SYSB. That's the standard, the objective, and the learning progressions for that system.